I, on the study newsletter, wrote a lot about some of the upcoming Supreme Court cases, but this opinion piece I wanted to kind of get back into for the news hour. And it says here, should they just go ahead and put up a gold Trump sign on the Supreme Court? And this was a conversation between Emily Bazelon and David French. And it says here that, and it's talking about some of the cases that are coming up. And so David French says, can I share the executive power case that alarms me the most? It's called Trump versus Slaughter. And the first question is whether the court will overrule a 1935 case called Humphrey's Executor, which upheld limits on the president's ability to fire a member of the Federal Trade Commission. The question of the president's authority over independent agencies or commissions is important. Most conservatives, me included, believe Humphrey's executor was wrongly decided, and that the president should be able to fire the heads of agencies that operate in the executive branch. But there's a second question in that case, and the answer could have more enormous implications. The court has asked parties to brief and argue whether a federal court may prevent a person's removal from public office either through relief or at equity or at law. The implications here are staggering. Could a president really just sweep through the civil service, firing everyone at will, and then sit back and wait to be sued for damages, all while he runs wild with something that looks a lot like the old spoils system of the 19th century? And Emily replies, here's an argument that Humphrey's executor was rightly decided.